Are you a coach or a gym owner who's frustrated that your members and potential members won't prioritize their money to work with you and get in the shape that you know you can help them get into, but that they're happy to buy a Louis Vuitton bag, a cell phone, go out to dinner, drive a Mercedes? Are you racking your brain like, what's the deal? When they get their priorities right, they'll come in. I know you are because I've spoken to hundreds of you about this exact problem. And I'm gonna use a half-kilo plate, a 2-kilo plate, and a 26-pound kettlebell to demonstrate how to get over this problem. My name is Dr. Sean Pastuch. I'm the owner of Active Life, and we've been helping gyms to get their members and prospects to actually spend the money, the time, the effort, the energy to prioritize their health in your gym. The idea is to use this equipment and one more special piece that I'm gonna pull out in a moment here so that you can make more money in the space you already have, in the time you already have, with the members you already have, and the staff you already have. Follow along. One more piece of equipment. That one more piece of equipment is a sponge that I've been sitting in water for a while. Now, the idea is that you know these people can afford your services. They're showing you. They have Instagram, which means they have an $800 piece of glass with a $150 a month carrying cost so that they can post pretty pictures on Instagram. The water inside this sponge represents the money that they have available for the things that they prioritize. The sponge represents them, and these weights represent the things that they do and maybe do not prioritize. Let's say one day Nicole is in your gym and you notice that she's a little bit frustrated that her snatches don't look the way that she'd like them to look. She keeps failing at a weight that she knows she should be able to hit. She just isn't hitting it. So you walk over and you say, Nicole, I'd love to help you with that. Help you with your muscle ups, your snatches, your deadlift weight, the amount you can squat, how fast your times are on workouts, whatever, it doesn't matter. Performance-based goals. And Nicole is like, that problem weighs about 0.5 kilos. Let's see how much of her expendable income she's willing to distribute to you for that solution. Looks like about 1 or 2 sessions of expendable income is coming your way. The reason that she's not willing to spend a lot of money on the thing that you think she should prioritize more is that thing's not a high priority for her. It's frustrating, but it's not the be all end all. She didn't join your gym to get a big snatch or to get a bunch of muscle ups or to reduce her Fran time. She's in your gym because she wants to look and feel a certain way. So let's get this one out of there. Now you're probably saying there's no market for personal training in my gym. I've been telling you guys this. There's no market for personal training in my gym. It's a group fitness model. Well, let's see a different way to look at this. Maybe that same girl, same woman, could be a guy, is a little bit overweight and you know they're frustrated with it. They've been coming to the gym for 6 months, a year, 3 years now, and their body still looks the same. And they sign up for every nutrition challenge that you have. They come to every special event that you do for goal setting and nutrition coaching and weight loss and all this stuff. You ask them if they would like some extra help because you believe that you can help them to lose the 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds that they need to lose. The alternative to that is just continuing to come to the gym, working with an online company to help them with nutrition, changing their habits a little bit, watching some YouTube videos even, and maybe stopping coming to the gym because it's not working and just becoming a runner. But they want to stay, they trust you, they believe in you, and this problem weighs 2 kilos. So let's see what they're willing to sacrifice and dispense from their expendable income to work with you. Now we're talking. We got a little puddle there. This is why gyms who tell people that the problem that they solve is weight loss, confidence, body image, they win. The gyms who sell performance, well, if you're working with pro athletes, great, but otherwise it becomes really difficult. Selling one-on-one training sessions for performance is almost impossible in the group fitness environment, even in the commercial gym environment. Weight loss, this thing's a winner. So that's it. You know, people are willing to buy 12 sessions, maybe one a month, to get rid of their weight for a year. That's the most we've ever seen somebody willing to buy. And it's easy to tell them they have the problem because they know they're overweight, they know they're sad, but it's a hard conversation to have. What else could there possibly be? What about the member who's been scaling things the same way for a year? Every time your gym runs, they row. Every time you do doubles, they do singles. Every time you guys squat, they need to do step-ups or lunges. Every time you do sit-ups, they do something different. Every time you do toes to bar, they have to lay on the ground and just bring their knees to their chest because their back hurts, their knees hurt, their shoulders hurt, their neck hurts, whatever it is. This is the member who starts cherry picking workouts based on what you write on the board or on the blog for what you're doing that day. That member starts to feel like a burden on you, coach, the gym owner, because they don't want to ask for the substitutions that need to be made every day when they've already asked for them for a year. This is the person who already asked you for tips to solve for a problem. They tried doing what you told them to do, it didn't work, and now they don't want to ask you again because they feel bad. This is the person who's watching videos online about mobility drills and flexibility. They're doing Ramwad at night because they think that they need to get more flexible and that that's their solution. It might be, it might not be, but this person is frustrated. They're on the verge of leaving your gym, even if they've been there for 3 years. This is the person who would love to have those problems go away. And those problems are represented by this kettlebell. The reason being, these problems are in the way of weight loss. They're in the way of performance. So these are all encompassing here. Let's see if there's anything left. This, if you're willing to learn it and you're willing to do it, bridging the gap between physical therapy, chiropractic, and fitness, helping people feel better about the way that their body moves, get them out of pain so that when they wake up in the morning, they're not dealing with the knee pain, the back pain. Have their friends and family and coworkers stop telling them that coming to your gym is crazy because they want to be there. These people are willing to give you all of the dispensable income that they have towards the priorities that are not everyday living to solve that problem for them. You just need to know how to do it. I hope this was helpful. It's not that people won't buy personal training. It's that you're trying to get people to give you a high priority of their income. The money that they have available to decide, do I want to go to dinner? Do I want to buy a Louis Vuitton bag? Do I want to upgrade my iPhone? Or do I want to buy personal training sessions to get my life in order? You saw what they'll buy for performance. You saw what they'll do for weight loss. Getting out of pain, feeling like a human, and getting them the opportunity to work on weight loss or performance with more ease. We teach people how to do that. We teach them how to communicate it. We teach them how to sell it. We teach them how to execute it. If you are a personal trainer, a gym owner, or a coach, we want to talk to you about learning how to do this. Be the kettlebell. Click the link in bio, schedule a free call, we'll get to talking about it.